Okay, so this is all about factoring monomials. To factor a monomial means to express it as a factor of two or more monomials. If A equals B times C, then B and C are factors of A, and A is divisible by B and C. There could be multiple ways to factor a monomial, however, when given one of those factors, we use division to find the missing factor. Here we have an example of 8x to the fifth equals 4x squared times, here is our other factor, which is our unknown. It's kind of like when you do 10 equals 2 times x, where x is your unknown. When we're back into single step equations, when we're multiplying, the opposite of multiplication is division. So we divide both sides by 2. So in essence, that's what we're doing here. We divide both sides by 2. The left-hand side, the 2's cancel, and we're left with x is equal to 10 divided by 2, which is 5. So in our case, we're dividing both sides by 4x squared. They cancel on the left-hand side, and you have 4x squared, 8x to the fifth divided by 4x squared. The coefficients get divided because remember, coefficients follow the sign, follow the operation. So 8 divided by 4 is 2, and then x to the fifth divided by x squared is x to the 5 minus 2, which is x to the third. So we want to recall when dividing with exponents, we subtract the exponents. We can also think of this as area, which is length times width. So we are also dealing with the ds part of maths. To find the missing factor, for problem number 1 in our model problem, we have 28 x to the sixth equals what factor times 7x. So our area is 28x to the sixth. One of our factors, our width, we can call as 7x. We're going to take that 7x and that 28x to the sixth, and we're going to divide it by our 7x. Remember, 28 and 7 are going to get divided, so 28 divided by 7 is 4. X to the sixth divided by x to the first, because there's a 1 on top of that, is x to the sixth minus 1, which is x to the fifth. So 4x to the fifth is our missing factor. Now take a moment, you can pause this video and try the check for understanding on your own, and then you can come back and turn it on to figure out your answer. So we find the missing factor. We have 40x to the ninth equals what factor times 4x to the third. So we can divide both sides by 4x to the third. The left-hand side cancels, and we're left with 40 divided by 4, which is 10. X to the ninth divided by x to the third is x to the 9 minus 3, which is x to the sixth. So there is your final answer. You can also go ahead and check and just do 10 times 4, which is 40. X to the sixth times x to the third is x to the sixth plus 3, which is x to the ninth.